Let's unbox my Ipsy Boxycharm July 2024 box. The first product is by Danessa Myricks Beauty Evolution Powder in the shade Pink, and as you can see, it's a full-size product. This powder retails for, I have it written down, 34 Canadian dollars. This overnight creamy moisturizer will make skin appear firmer and feel stronger, leaving skin supple, smooth, and hydrated. For optimal results, use nightly. This moisturizer retails for 145 Canadian dollars. I have used this in the past and I have nothing but good things to say about this, so I'm really happy that I got it again. The product is a facial oil made with squalene and it retails for $22 Canadian. I'm really excited to try this one out as well. Smells nice, and I feel like it absorbed really well into my skin. Doesn't feel heavy at all. I love facial oils. Next item I got is Anastasia Beverly Hills Satin Lipstick in the shade Soft Brown, and I love this color. I'm so happy with this lipstick color. I think it's a perfect everyday color. This lipstick retails for 31 Canadian dollars. Let's do a swatch actually. So pretty, and it smells amazing. The next item I got is by Chica Beauty. I hope I pronounced that right. It is a highlighter duo in the shade Champagne Glow. It retails for 27 Canadian dollars. Let's do a swatch. That's pretty. This other side. Cool. So when I add up all the items in Canadian dollars, the box is actually worth $259. Thank you so much for watching.